Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will be doing a speed with me cleaning video today. My bedroom and my bathroom was a speed clean. Like, I didn't really wipe anything down. I made the bed, picked stuff up off the floor, and I did the same thing in the bathroom. I cleaned the toilet and the sink. Now however, I will be doing Princess room in this video, and her room is never a speed. I do need to get it cleaned up because she have all kind of stuff on her dresser. She has stuff stuck to the dresser, so I don't know if I can do that pretty quickly or, you know, pretty fast. I do just want to get the house, you know, just pleasing to the eye for those that walk in. I know that it needs a really deep clean, you know, dust. I did dust off the stuff in the hallway. So anyway, the purpose of this video is we're going to keep it real here on YouTube. I want to keep it real with any content that I put out on YouTube. My house is not always clean. It's dirty all the time, no matter how many times I clean it up. And it gets worse because I don't clean it up every day. The only thing that I clean every day is the toilet. That's the only thing, because of Princess, I have the boys in the house, so I make sure I clean both toilets every day. Mainly she used this bathroom here, so I try to keep the toilet clean because she's a little girl and I don't want her, not saying that we have anything, you know, I just want to keep it, you know, disinfected for her. So that's the only thing that I clean every day. Typically in my home, the only thing that really gets clean every day, if I do clean, will be the bedrooms, the bathrooms, the sitting room, and the kitchen. As you all know, my living room and my dining room does not get utilized all that much because I haven't even started decorating in my dining room. I just literally at this point have the dining room table and chairs and the server, and I don't have any furniture in the living room. I have the love seat in there that goes to the couch that's in the family room. So that's all I have in there. So you may not see me doing anything here soon on my channel for my living room and dining room. So anyway, I just felt like I needed to come in to make this intro for you all because I watch a lot of videos where people say clean with me and the house is already clean. You know what I'm saying? No shade, no shade, no shade. So anyway, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all the next time I turn this camera back on.
Your smile, your voice creeps into my heart with everything you do. That's too slow. Hey, and put that thing in my want you work it, baby, work it.